everyone, how's it going? My name is Leon and welcome back. If you are interested in video production, making money online, tutorials, business, then please consider subscribing as that's what I make content about every single day. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use aconvert.com to convert videos. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is the interface you will be greeted with when you go on convert.com. And you have a variety of options of where you can get your files from. Local file, online file, Google Drive and Dropbox in case you have any files stored in cloud storage. Let's just click browse. There we are. Let's just go for that one. And you have a variety of options to choose from, ranging from MP4, AVI, MPG, MKV. I'd be here all day talking about that. And you have two options. You can change the size, bitrate or frame rate of your actual video that you're converting, but I don't actually need to, so I'm all good on that front. Now, let's just click convert now. Pretty fast. There we are, and just click save. So click on the file URL, obviously I have already, and then what you want to do is right click and you can save the video. And well, that's essentially it. And that is basically aconvert.com. If this video provided any value to you, then please consider subscribing for more. Leave a like and share to boost the video in the algorithm, and if you have any questions or anything, then please do not hesitate to leave them in the comments down below and I'll make sure to respond to you when I can. Thank you for watching and I shall see you in an upcoming video. Take care everyone.